Ya kani kajing elang jang Business Advisory Committee jang yang Dorbar tauan kejela lepenya dulampang yang Dorbar tauan Thomas E Sangma. Haka boleh don lang sembut menteri rang ba kejela bakmi akatanat Parliamentary Affairs ubak Presiden Densong unang ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul M Sangma ubala le daga video conferencing kiamali ke bekentup ubak Charles Pengro berubah ala kemen rembui bat ke officer jang sarkar bat ke assembly. Habakran bikin pathai kubor ulam pagi yang Dorbar tauan ulong baga Business Advisory Committee daga bigisur kala menjur ban Pynlong no ek Dorbar Synrai nadok ka pratarik adok ka khat artarik Nailar arhajar arpusan. Barakane ke Dorbar ke basan Sngi kan kentup yalai Sngi ka government business nagi kam sarkar bar Sngi ka private members business naga bentai ki dikot jog Dorbar. Haba kelihatu kaliang persya kala menjur kene karai ulam pang ulam penting kena babar ogi dikot kentup ikalang persya kila senguhun ya kejingbun ki Sngi syong Dorbar bat kam shimla dan kano kajing persya.
And the meeting went very well. It was attended by all the members, though one of the members, the leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, took part in the meeting online from a virtual meeting. He joined from Tura, DC's office. The BAC meeting had already unanimously approved the calendar for the autumn session, which will commence from 8 September and end on 12 September, which is a 5 days session starting from Monday, 8 September and finishing on 12 September, which is Friday. So we have 3 government business, 3 days government business and 2 days private members business. We were told that there will be less of government businesses, especially SDs, and demand for grants will be not much. So it was agreed upon by the committee to have 5 working days of this assembly session.